The landscape of modern air combat is undergoing a transformation, marked by the emergence of autonomous platforms capable of operating seamlessly alongside manned fighters. A major milestone in this evolution occurred on August 27, 2025, when the YFQ 42A, an experimental stealth combat drone developed by General Atomics, completed its first flight at a classified test site in California. Built under the U.S. Air Force's Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCA) program, the YFQ 42A is designed as a loyal wingman for 5th and 6th generation aircraft, such as the F-35 and the upcoming Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) platforms. This first flight represents not just a technological achievement but a strategic leap toward a new paradigm of airpower, where autonomous systems multiply the capabilities of piloted fighters while reducing risk and cost. The YFQ 42A is a jet-powered, low-observable unmanned aerial vehicle with a streamlined fuselage and a V-tail configuration optimized for reduced radar signature and high-speed maneuvering. A dorsal-mounted air intake further minimizes its detectability, while the aircraft's internal payload base supports modular mission systems, including air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM. The design emphasizes versatility, allowing the drone to perform a variety of roles ranging from strike operations to electronic warfare, reconnaissance, and decoy missions. The aircraft can operate fully autonomously, guided by artificial intelligence, or under human on-the-loop supervision, enabling integration with manned aircraft formations even in high-threat environments. This achievement was realized in less than 2 years from the launch of the CCA program, a pace that underscores the shift toward rapid prototyping, agile development, and software-defined platforms. Unlike traditional fighter programs that can take decades to move from concept to operational deployment, the CCA initiative prioritizes speed, adaptability, and cost-effectiveness. By producing attritable drones in significant numbers, the program aims to provide the Air Force with scalable capabilities that extend the reach of manned aircraft while limiting exposure of human pilots to danger. The YFQ 42A's development draws on General Atomics' experience with prior designs such as the XQ-67A and the Gambit. The aircraft embodies the Air Force's concept of affordable mass, emphasizing large quantities of flexible, expendable platforms capable of high-risk missions. This approach contrasts with traditional reliance on highly complex, single-man fighters, whose loss carries both operational and financial consequences. The cost efficiency of the YFQ 42A, projected to be less than a third of a conventional manned fighter, allows for the deployment of multiple units in contested airspace, providing redundancy, coverage, and a significant tactical advantage. Central to the drone's effectiveness is its modular, open architecture system, which enables rapid software updates and integration of new mission packages without the need for extensive structural modifications. This capability ensures that the YFQ 42A remains operationally relevant against emerging threats, including advanced air defense systems and electronic countermeasures. Its AI-driven autonomy supports dynamic decision-making, target prioritization, and coordination with human pilots, enabling the aircraft to execute complex missions in contested or denied environments with minimal supervision. Flight testing of the YFQ 42A is currently underway at Edwards Air Force Base, complemented by operational trials at Nellis Air Force Base with the Experimental Operations Unit. These evaluations simulate real-world combat scenarios, assessing the drone's integration into multi-aircraft formations and its responsiveness to both autonomous commands and pilot oversight. The goal is to accelerate the transition from prototype to operational capability, with full-rate production anticipated in fiscal year 2026. The testing phase also includes performance assessments, survivability analysis, and evaluations of digital engineering maturity, ensuring that the aircraft can be produced and maintained at scale while adapting to evolving mission requirements. The development of the YFQ 42A has also sparked direct competition within the CCA program. Anduril Industries, selected as the second vendor for the program's Increment 1 phase, is preparing to conduct flight tests of its own autonomous combat platform, the YFQ 44A. Both aircraft will undergo head-to-head evaluations to determine which design will advance to full-scale production. This competitive approach ensures that the Air Force not only selects a high-performance drone but also prioritizes factors such as scalability, cost-effectiveness, and long-term adaptability, reinforcing the program's emphasis on operational relevance and efficiency. Beyond its technological sophistication, the YFQ 42A represents a broader strategic shift in airpower philosophy. Rather than viewing aircraft as static assets with fixed capabilities, the CCA program treats platforms as evolving systems that can be continuously upgraded with new software, AI algorithms, and mission modules. This mindset reflects a recognition that modern warfare demands flexibility, speed, and the ability to counter rapidly changing threats. By embracing autonomous, networked drones, the Air Force can maintain a competitive edge while reducing reliance on long development cycles and costly, high-risk manned aircraft. The operational potential of the YFQ 42A extends beyond simple force multiplication. By serving as an AI-enabled wingman, the drone can undertake dangerous or high-exposure missions, drawing fire away from human pilots and providing real-time battlefield intelligence. Its ability to operate in swarms further amplifies its impact, allowing multiple drones to coordinate attacks, electronic countermeasures, and decoy operations autonomously or under minimal supervision. This collective capability increases survivability, complicates enemy targeting, and enhances the effectiveness of manned fighters in contested environments. The introduction of the YFQ 42A also signals a shift toward digital-first airpower development, where software and networked systems play an equal or greater role than airframe design. Continuous updates to AI mission systems, modular payloads, and flight software allow the platform to evolve alongside emerging threats, ensuring long-term operational relevance. This approach aligns with broader trends in defense technology, where adaptability, rapid prototyping, and digital engineering are increasingly prioritized over static hardware investments. In a global context, the YFQ 42A provides the United States with a critical asymmetric advantage. As peer adversaries invest heavily in integrated air defense, anti-access, and area denial capabilities, the U.S. Air Force requires flexible, expendable, and capable platforms to maintain air superiority. The YFQ 42A addresses this need by providing a high-performance, low-cost drone that extends the reach of piloted fighters while mitigating risk to human operators. Its operational introduction marks a significant step toward a new era in combat aviation, where autonomous systems are not merely supporting tools but essential teammates in the battlespace. Ultimately, the YFQ 42A's first flight is more than a technological demonstration. It represents the Air Force's commitment to rethinking how airpower is designed, deployed, and sustained. By integrating AI, autonomy, and modular design principles, the drone exemplifies a future in which scalable, networked platforms work alongside human pilots to dominate contested airspace. With continued testing, software evolution, and operational integration, the YFQ 42A stands poised to redefine the rules of air combat, offering a vision of warfare in which autonomous machines amplify human capabilities and transform the way battles are fought. The successful flight of this cutting-edge drone marks a decisive step into that future, signaling that the next generation of air combat will be defined not solely by manned fighters but by collaborative, intelligent systems operating in concert across the skies.